welcome back to my channel. So no matter how comfortable we are with our bodies, we all have several questions about our bodies and our health every day, like do I smell normal or what's normal anyway? Everyone's vaginas, even the healthy ones, have their own special scent. But some people think the vagina is the most dirtiest place in the world. But do you know that our mouth has more bacteria than our vaginas? Vagina has particular smells which vary from person to person, influenced by your clothing material, your diet, and how much you are hydrated. So, I am here today with some personal hygiene tips which will surely help you to stay healthy. Not wiping the vagina after urinating can cause the panties to get wet, which not only can lead you to the bad odor, but also it will put you to the vaginal infections. Maintaining a healthy diet can do your body and your vagina good. Foods like yogurt helps to promote the good vaginal health. Don't forget to wash and replace the towels after you use them. Reusing towels is not wise because bacteria can cling to the surfaces and that potentially puts you at the risk for infections. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it's very important. Change your sanitary pads or tampons regularly during your periods. If you are wearing panty liners, then change them frequently. And however, if you wear them all the time, then you may have some irritations. Washing hands before and after preparing or eating food, after handling garbages, after going to the washroom, or after coughing or sneezing goes a long way towards preventing the spread of bacteria and viruses. Also, keep an alcohol-based sanitizer so that you can use that whenever the soap and water is not available. Avoid using harsh or scented soaps to clean the vagina. Soap can affect the healthy balance of the bacteria in the vagina. It can also change the pH in the vaginal region, which can cause irritation and lead to the growth of unhealthy bacteria. Use plain water, preferably warm water, to wash the area around the vagina. So let me share my experience with the feminine hygiene wash product, and I used it for some days and I got affected with bacterial infections, and then I consulted with my doctor and she just scolded me and told me not to use them, and she suggested me to use plain lukewarm water to wash the area around vagina, and also she told me not to use any type of scented vaginal wipes or deodorants to keep the vagina healthy, and she told me that please avoid these products to avoid this kind of infections. So I will also suggest you, if you are going to use any type of these products, then please consult with your doctor. Wear undergarments made from cotton. Avoid wearing tight cloths for so long and synthetic inners, which can cause sweating, and excessive sweating can lead to the growth of unhealthy bacteria and yeast, which can cause infection. Avoid wearing leather pants and wet bathing suit for a long period of time, and also change your clothes after exercising or working out. As I said before, it's always best to consult with your doctors about the problems like pubic lice infections, vaginal dryness, or itching. Most importantly, don't ignore any type of signs and symptoms of vaginal infections. Whether you have stinky smell, excessive vaginal discharge, or colored vaginal discharge, do consult with your doctor immediately. Lastly, I want to say to all my beautiful ladies that the vaginal discharge is a part of the healthy vaginal environment. So, the use of talcum powder and excessive wiping can make your vagina very dry, which can cause itchiness and vaginal dryness. So, avoid the talcum powder and excessive wiping. If you really think that you are having excessive vaginal discharge, then please consult with your doctor before doing any kind of these things. I hope with these tips you will always stay healthy and safe, and you will never have to worry about any odor, any germs or any infections. And if you have any other queries, then let me know them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe my channel and press the notification button. It means a lot to me and motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Until next time, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.